Mwatuka munene uria urathiete na mbere kugayania atongoria kiama-ini kia ODM riu ni uthingitwo thutha wa utongoria wa kiama giki kunanira njung'wa na kuiga ngurani ciao kuraya makiaura nguo ndembuku na njongi iria iraiyuritwo ni iraka cia ngarari ndugamano na rumena igithukia uthaka ngumo njega na ukaru wa kiama giki.
The committee has succeeded in brokering an unbreakable unity of purpose in the party and a single-minded focus on ensuring that ODM continues to be a loyal servant of the people and the country.
Ndumiriri-ini iria ithometwo ni mwandiki munene wa kiama kia ODM Edwin Sifuna nimeruhitie mihitwa yao kuri thirikari ya uiguano na makiria kuri muingi wa Kenya, akiuga muingi kuhingirio mabataro mao niguo wendo uria ukoragwo gitina-ini kia ngoro ya kiama kia ODM.
The party supports the position that has been taken by party leader Honorable Raila Odinga to work with the Kenya Kwanza administration to stabilize the country and create an enabling environment for Kenyans to address their concerns through democratic and constitutional means.
Niguo gukinyaniria mendekithia manandiko meranire kwamba kamiti ya mwanya iria ikurumbuiania na gukinyaniria mendekithia maya.
Of great concern is the full implementation of the NADCO report, promotion and protection of the livelihoods of young people, the right to peaceful assembly and protest, the rule of law and constitutionalism, corruption and wastage of public resources.
Ni mahurire ndefe mendekithia ma miario ya gibururi na marika ngurani niguo gwetha kihonia kia mathina maria matungitie a Kenya ruo rutangitaririka.
The party supports calls for an intergenerational national conclave to deliberate on the issues affecting the nation with particular focus on youth agenda and agree on a way forward.
Oho maugite matigucunga hari kuruira utamburukia wa mahinya matura-ini makiuga motungata mothe maria manyititwo migwate ni thirikari nene marekererio kuri thirikari cia matura makienda wiyathi uyu ta gikwana mukungugu umo thutha na kwambatirio gwa kigina kiria thirikari ici igayagirwo.
We will continue pushing for the raising of the allocation to a minimum 450 billion Kenya shillings or more as had been proposed by party leader Raila Amolo Odinga.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Karega Wabuthia.